Now let's see how you can use the bulk lister to list a lot of items in the same time. You don't need to go one by one, you can have up to 100 of listers in the same time. You click here on the bulk lister, and then it is a simplified screen that have everything on this screen that you need. So here you put the ASIN. You can give ASIN a list of ASINs like we are gonna do, or in more advanced mode you can also give these other parameters. I will explain on the next videos how to do it. Okay, so let's take, I have prepared a list of ASINs you have here. Let's copy these ASINs. You can take this from any program that you are using to grab ASINs or things like that, and you copy it here. And you can verify the fees, or you can just click on submit. A few options: you can set the percentage that you want to earn, like for example $2 or 2%. You can tell them to ignore if there are links on descriptions. You can add watermark to this image if you want. You can allow duplicate items, but this is not recommended. Okay, so don't allow. For example, if you have load the same item 2 times with different titles, but this is really not recommended. And allow duplicate image. Yes, click this blue, click this, so you can have a lot of images, even if there are only 3 images on Amazon. You duplicate it for 12. You have all these parameters, or the same parameter that you already configured in the basic lister. We save the parameters. We can also add specifics. We have the same add specifics that you have on the default lister configurations. You can also select templates. We're gonna use the same template. You can add awards before the titles, for example, new. And you can also add free shipping. For example, add whatever your imagination tell you to add, and then click on bulk import. It will ask for confirmation, and then the magic begin. You see, we'll see here, he will start to his processing, and we'll start to seeing the items being published in a few seconds. So here you go, you see the first item is already published, and he's processing now the number 2 item. If you want to see the item, you can click here, open link in a new tab. You open the product, the first product is already published. You see, quite similar to what we have in Sim, and he's now processing item number 2. Okay, we count at 0, so this is number 2. And in the middle time, if you have a long list, you go take some coffee, go do something else, go whatever you need, and the auto lister will be working for you and publishing your items in that time. By the way, see that here are the new and the free shipping like we asked it. Okay, see you in the next videos when we're gonna explain advanced use for these options of the bulk lister. Bye bye.